Meet the grey francolin, earlier known as grey partridge. A common dryland bird always seen foraging in dry and grassy landscape and occasionally seen in scrub and open country. Adorned with earthy brown plumage and delicate patterns, the grey francolin blends perfectly with the surroundings, making it almost invisible. This is its first-line defense from predators. The typical Teetar call is a part of any morning ambience in most country habitats. Being an omnivore, it mainly feeds on grains, occasionally insects and even invertebrates. When danger is sensed, the bird runs swiftly through the undergrowth and escapes to safety. At sunset, the Teetar bird prepares for roosting. The preference is generally a low thorny branches of trees or dense bushes. And that's the grey francolin, Best of Nature Series 1. Comment if you have seen it. Like, share and subscribe for more amazing moments from the wild.